Thursday morning, everyone. I just caught this little bird in the tree. There was about 6 or 7 of them, and I got up, moved, and scared them all. But this little one stayed behind. Oh, there they are over there. See those pink flowers? Just up there, frolicking in that little tree there with the pink flowers. It's very cloudy today. Lots and lots of cloud. Yeah. And that little bird's still there, checking things out. Maybe he told all the other birds to piss off. This is my branch. I say, my branch. Hear that bird? Sorry, gone off centre. A bit like my brain. I've just literally woke up to bring Lissy out, to be honest. Oh, there she is. Lissy. I just brought Lissy out for the loo. Lissy Lulu. Hey, Lissy went Lulu. There you are. Oh. Okay. Sky. Are they having a fight in the sky? Where would they be now? Okay, they've probably found the tree. Yeah, sorry guys, I've got to talk up a bit louder apparently. Someone said my voice is a bit too soft, so I think it's also because I don't want the neighbours to hear me talking too. So, especially if I'm out late at night, obviously I want to keep it down a bit. But yeah, I will speak up because I haven't got a mic. Yeah. There she comes. Here she comes. Hey, Lissy. We're going back inside now. Had a little morning adventure. Oops, there's Lissy. They're having a little doggy sniff. Lissy. Lissy Lou. Lissy Moo. Lissy Lou. Say goodbye, good people.